Uh-oh, the clear is here. Hello. Oh yeah, he's been waiting for that clear.
That's what I was like, wow, I never got that.
You're welcome. The clear coat came early this morning, so we're ready to go. So we're gonna go back there. Carlos is gonna get this mixed up, and we're gonna start laying this clear down on the car. Get this thing baking. Yo, that lady was really happy to see that you was excited to see her.
Not hair.
No.
They're clear, you know.
See.
Check it out.
That's right. Final coat of clear is done. Nice and heavy. You can see this thing looks like absolute glass. Now we're gonna let this thing dry today, and then starting tomorrow, we're gonna start sand and buff. So we gotta wet sand the entire car down. And then we're going to start compounding it, and then we will go into assembly. It's going to be hard enough to back this thing out on the right side of the car with no mirrors on. It's hard to do it on the left side.
Really?
Because you can see this wall. Monday morning and we're back. So Camilo's getting going on the EVO right now. We're putting the door handles back in. We're waiting on belt moldings and roof drip rails from Mitsubishi and all the clips to put those on. So those are about a week out. So we're actually going to be on hold for a little bit, but we're doing what we can this week in terms of assembly, and then we're going to start the sand and buffing today. So let's go out there and see how he's making out with the reassembly of this thing.
Tony Hank. Hey, Hank.
Shaler Mitsubishi coming through. Just dropped off all the parts for the EVO. Got new drip moldings for the roof. Got new belt moldings. Got a couple more that'll be here next week. Shout out to Shaler Mitsubishi. They're out in New Britain, Connecticut. Connecticut's very far and few in between to find a good Mitsubishi dealer. They're very hard to get parts for, and their delivery times really do suck. But with Shaler, they get here very fast. The parts are always correct, and their customer service is awesome. So I highly recommend Shaler Mitsubishi if anybody needs EVO parts or any Mitsubishi parts for that matter in Connecticut. So hit them up. Car is really coming out beautiful. I don't know if I want to let it go. So that's it for today. It's been a crazy week here this week. Boss was away on vacation, so I wasn't able to get as much filming done just because I was in and out of here. We got the Camaro fully primed. Gonna start sanding. All the parts were delivered, so we'll be able to start fresh on this one again on Monday. The EVO is just about assembled. All the sanding and buffing has been completed. Just have to finish the reassembly, finish the bumpers, get the bumpers on the car. So that's coming up. And then today, we just had a 2006 EVO 9 dropped off that made contact with a big deer on the highway. So as you can see, this is pretty smashed. It's not as bad as it looks. We're definitely gonna save it, but this will be coming up next week. So I'll show you guys what's to come. So that's coming up, so stay tuned for this. We're gonna wrap up the EVO 4 next week too. We're just waiting on some moldings, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and we will see you next week.